Namaste, welcome. This is Aruna Patki, a Ayurvedic doctor, a massage therapist, a yoga teacher, a meditation instructor, and a pranayama coach. I am here today to share with you all about what is Vata, what is Pitta, and what is Kapha. Friends, many of our approach in the West about Vata, Pitta, Kapha is totally different. So what happens is people always think, or in the West, the approach of Vata is always like Vata means air, Pitta means fire, and Kapha means water. Okay? But in Ayurveda, Vata is not only the air, it is a combination of air and space element. Pitta is not only fire, it is a combination of fire and water element. And Kapha is not only water or earth, it is a combination of earth and water. Okay, so doshas, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, they have two elements in each dosha. So each dosha is made up of two elements. Okay, now today we are going to talk about our Vata and its relationship to the pain concept in the body. Okay, so many times I have observed from my clients that I have this imbalances, and I feel anxiety, I feel depression, I feel constipation, I feel gases, I feel bloating, I feel irregularities in the menstrual cycle, I feel low energy, I feel fatigue, I feel restlessness, I feel drying of my body, skin, I feel skin dryness, I feel hair dryness, I feel all these things, and I think, Dr. Patki, I have a Vata imbalance. This is what I see many of my clients telling me in the practice. So what happens, Vata is not only air. As I said, it is a space and air. Okay, so when you have all these signs and symptoms in Ayurveda, all these imbalances in Ayurveda, what you need to offer to the body is the healing and the therapies and the treatments which are going to balance the space as well as air element in the body. I hope you are understanding, because tell me, how many times all of you feel like sometime anxiety, or sometimes you feel like a lot of bloating sound or gurgling in the stomach, or how many of you feel like a lot of itching or the dryness in the skin? How many of us feel like the pain in the joints, the popping sound in the joints? How many of us feel like the hard bowel, or passing is hard when going through the bowel movement, or it's hard to pass the stool in the morning time or in the daytime? So this is how I see, like many of my clients tell all these different imbalances in different way. Okay, because every symptom or imbalance in the body is connected to one of the doshic or one of the biological humor in the body, and we need to figure it out as an Ayurvedic doctor, that is it only the Vata dosha is imbalanced, or is it something else also is involved in that imbalance, in that suffering, or in that discomfort, or in that disease? Because Vata is a energy. It is a dosh in the body. It is called it as a Vata dosha. Dosha means something which whether it is when it is increased, or something which is going to be decreased in the body, can create the discomfort in the body. That is what the meaning of the dosha is. So now, when this Vata dosha is imbalanced, we need to figure it out. Is it imbalanced because of the excessive nature in the body, or whether the dosha is depleted in the body? We need to first figure out that concept in Ayurveda. And then once you know what is whether it is increased or decreased of the dosha in your body, then you offer the services like, the oleation therapy, the vata management therapy, or the third eye therapy, or the therapy which can reduce the stress from the body, the different herbs which can reduce the vata from the body, and then the oil massages, the purgation therapy, the enema therapies, the detoxification therapies, which is called it as a the shodhana therapy, which is a panchakarma therapy. We need to drink specific teas or specific herbal combination teas to balance this either increased or decreased vata in the body. And this is how in Ayurveda, when people are suffering with the musculoskeletal disorders, or the joint disorders, or the joint pain, or joint movement challenges, or reduced range of motion, or when people are suffering with uh, the popping sound in the body, or the popping sound in the joints, or popping sound in the spine. So we need to offer the therapies which are connected to the vata oil combinations. Okay, so as an Ayurvedic doctor, what I do in my clients, in my practice, is like I like to know what is their body type. So first I will know their body type, and then I will see whether this Vata dosha is increased or whether this Vata dosha is decreased. And depending on that, we offer different herbs, different spices, different food, different oil therapies through the third eye therapy, or different wells of oils on the back, which is called it as bastis on the body. We offer the therapies, and we offer the services which are going to be best suitable depending upon the person's current condition, whether it is acute or chronic, or whether it is with the ama in the body, or whether it is with the samapitta in the body, or whether it is with the different channels and blockages in the body. So we need to figure it out first, what is the main reason of creating this muscular pain, this joint pain, this skeletal pain, this leg pain, back pain, heart pain, or tummy pain, or menstrual pain, or the joint pain, or shoulder pain, knee pain, neck pain, migraine, headaches, stress on the mind. We need to figure it out, and then we offer the services. Even the services, depending upon where the pain is located in the body, the Ayurvedic service will change. So The approach of Ayurveda is very, very, very unique. It will go what is required to you. It will go what is the best suitable for you. It will go as per your current condition in the body. It will go as per your current offerings to the body through the food, through the diet, through the lifestyle, and through your behavior. So we need to see all these different multiple dimensions when we are doing some therapy for a Vata dosha in the body. So for this beautiful Vata energy in the body, we have therapies which are like blissful therapy, called it as a third eye therapy. Then we have the Abhyangam massages, which are like whole body massages. Then we have different herbal steams where we use different herbs to balance the vata in the body. Then we have marma therapy where we use the different acupressure points to balance the vata, different types of vata in the body. Then we have a therapeutic yoga therapy where we connect with the required therapies of yoga or the asanas in the yoga, which is related to your disease, which is related to your body type, and which is related to your current condition, and where we need a vata work or pitta yoga or vata yoga or kapha yoga for you to balance out your vata, pitta, kapha in the body. And then we do the deep detox, which can be through the different purgation therapies, through the food, or through the herbs, or through the spices. I hope this will be easy to understand the proper practical approach of this uniqueness of healing your body, because this way of approach or this approach is a very unique approach for your health and your wellness, and this is called it as your personal medicine. So Ayurveda is your personalization, Ayurveda is your customization, Ayurveda is your unique eco-friendly, eco-medicine, eco-health. It is a very unique personalized approach for your health and your wellness. I hope you all understood this concept of how to balance our vata dosha in the body. So for the vata related disorders, we talk about musculoskeletal system, we talk about joint system, we talk about menstrual challenges, we talk about psychological challenges, and for all of this we use the beautiful herb in Ayurveda, and this herb we call it as a dashamula, or the herb which is made up of the 10 different herbs in one formula, that is called it as a dashamula. Or we also use ashwagandha, or we use the gugulu concept in Ayurveda to balance out the imbalanced vata in the body. Again, the herb will differ from person to person, because some people will be comfortable with one specific herb and other people that herb might not work on them. So we need to understand the person fully on the mental level, on the physical level, on the emotional level, on the psychological level, and on your spirit level. Then only, as an Ayurvedic doctor, it will be easy for me to guide you the whole person healing approach to you for your condition, for your disease, to manage the disease where it is at the present moment, and what you can do for this disease not to increase more and make your life more easier for your day-to-day living. I hope this is helpful to all you listeners. This is Aruna Patki, Doctor of Ayurvedic Medicine from India, a healer, a practitioner, and a nationally recognized therapist, NCBTMB, BCTMB in the United States. Here I am here to share my wisdom of ancient techniques of healing for our modern world. So please do visit our YouTube channel to connect and get some practical therapies, recipes to cook for the Vata dosha healing. So visit our channel Ayurvedic Health and Wellness Center by Dr. Aruna Pathki on YouTube to get some information about how to cook, because cooking is the most important key in my practice, where I would like my clients to take in charge of their life through the act of the food. I hope I will see you again next week with another topic. Thank you. And you can connect with us at ayurvedahealingspa.com, and our number is 704 808 0708. Thank you.